now have a letter to read, a letter from Jamyan Tashi. Dear Mr. Madam, my name is Jamyan Tashi and I am just a regular Tibetan among tens of thousands living in exile. But what I am asking is a commonly shared request from Tibetans, both inside and outside. A national flag symbolises significant features of a country, and the Tibetan flag is not an exception. Is not exceptional. It was made before Chinese invaded Tibet, not something that exiled Tibetans created for a political propaganda. It was carefully designed to feature all aspects that people treasured in the land of snow. But as we all know, when the country was taken under the shadow of injustice, the Tibetan flag was never able to make its way up to the pole again in its native soil. It might seem a silly request to raise the Tibetan flag in a country where it does not belong, but it's true that seeing our flag waving in the air gives us an immense pleasure, a great hope, and it always keeps us emotionally connected to our brothers and sisters who are being treated inhumanly inside Tibet. For this reason, I am asking to raise Tibetan flag in your city once a year, not to irritate the Chinese government, but to give a little hope to the helpless people. Thank you from my friend Tashi. So all the best and good luck.